Hey everyone, today I'm taking you through a total kitchen renovation I did for my parents. This house was built in the 1970s and it was still rocking the original look, which meant a lot of character but also a lot of work. Those custom built-in cabinets were a beast to take down, but once they were out, the fun started. You'll see me pulling out the old wooden paneling, updating wiring for new electrical, under cabinet lighting, and recessed lights routed through the attic. I also had some help from a neighbor to get the drywall up. The flooring was a whole project on its own. I pulled up 3 layers of old floor and had to patch some rotted out subfloor before laying down the new luxury vinyl plank. This was my first time installing cabinets, so I took my time, measured about 1,000 times, and I made sure everything was level. I hope you enjoyed the process. If you have any questions about the project or the materials I used, drop them in the comments.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop when the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. mountains to be your friend. I want